Okay everyone, so here we are. We're all done, it's the next day. All of the trim has been coated, it's dried overnight. This again is the product that we used. It's Sherwin Williams Pro Classic, and we used the satin sheen on all of the trim. You can use this product if you want to get a semi-gloss look. They have that as well. It's latex, it's easy to work with. Again, what I really like about it is it's a hard, durable finish. After about 30 days, it cures. It's dry to the touch, but it'll reach its maximum hardness in 30 days. And you can brush it, you can roll it, it's gonna lay down and settle real nicely. So we are in the process of taking you to the next step, and I just want you to see how nice, if you come over onto this casing here, get a close-up of that. You can see the shine in the light and how that finish ended up looking, and it's laid down real nice. No brush marks or roller marks, and a nice sheen. So we're gonna take you now to the next step, part 2 of painting a bathroom from start to finish. Thank you.